안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to South Korea, an East Asian nation on the southern half of the Korean peninsula, known to be the world's most heavily militarized borders with North Korea. South Korea is such a beautiful country, with mountainous, green, hilly countryside forest parks, historic Buddhist temples, coastal fishing villages, subtropical islands, friendly locals, and one of the world's most amazing bicycle infrastructures, the Four River Bicycle Path. A 633 kilometers dedicated north and southbound bicycle path spanning the length of the country. So pack up your gears and the bicycle and let's travel to South Korea. Jason Two Wheels, aka One Man's Grom, and we're here in South Korea. 37 kilometers from the Four River Bicycle Path, 0 kilometer starting point in West Incheon Port. I began my journey in Seoul, the largest city and capital of South Korea, dominated by half the population, high-rise apartment buildings, and hundreds of public exercise machines you'll find throughout the whole country. Forecast for the next 10 days is going to be rain and thunderstorms. Despite the weather, I proceeded on foot 3 kilometers from my guest house to the closest trailhead on Mount Ansan. But anyways, for today's itinerary, we're going to head to Mount Ansan. This is something that I always wanted to do in between the bicycle travels and journey, is to do some hiking. I hiked to the summit leading to a replicated smoke signal station from the Joseon dynasty about 700 years ago. Here, I had a spectacular view of the city and nearby national forest parks, Mount Bukhansan. These forest parks offer an escape from the busy city to a peaceful, more natural outdoor experience along the trail. Okay, so the clouds set in and it's starting to rain again. It's getting dark because of the clouds, so we're gonna head out now and start doing some stuff and preparing for tomorrow. The journey begins from my guest house into the Four River Bicycle Path, heading southbound for the next 15 days. So sit back, relax, and let me take you through this journey ride across South Korea. Hi. Hi, how are you doing?
This looks like a safe place to camp.
Yeah, it looks like...
안녕하세요. Good morning. Wow, that was a nice camping experience. All right, we're all set. Got everything charged, our electronic devices charged. Ate breakfast, had coffee. Despite the weather conditions right now, the typhoon's moving towards the peninsula right now, so we'll see about it. Oh gosh, I love it, Korea. I love it for your bike path, man. This is awesome. You don't have to worry about any vehicles or anything whatsoever. Just concentrate on your bike ride and enjoy it and have fun and, you know, be happy. Happy. So this is the weather right now. The storm is like right by already at the Korean peninsula. So it's very strong winds right now. Whew. Yes. Strong winds.
As the wind quickly strengthens, I diverted nearby to the closest city of Yeoju, once a town that was raised to status into a city in 2013, a city known for its contemporary South Korean ceramics. I also indulged my burger cravings at a popular fried chicken and burger brand, Mom's Touch, one of my favorites in South Korea.
And good morning to you. We're leaving the city of Yeoju and we're heading to Chungju. I reserved a hotel stay for 2 nights as I plan to go hike at one of those national forest parks just nearby. Anyways, it's a beautiful morning. It's overcast. I guess the storm just kind of dissipated, but there's another storm like a little towards Japan. Beautiful day. More awesome bike paths. It looks new. Like they just maintain it like every week or month or so. Hi, how are you? I'm good, hi. Bugs here. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Well, welcome to Chungju. I think I'm in the motel.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
This hotel Raemian.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Jason, I booked a.
Jason. Yes.
Yes.
Are you Jason?
Yes. I was like,
Okay. You can put the bike inside.
okay. Alright guys, we're here at the Hotel Raemian. Brian is the man, well he works here, he's the one to help me out. And cool guy. He's been in California, his English is pretty good. And look what he gave me as a gift. A new soju. Here is the room. It's nice and cozy. Got we got an LG flat screen TV. Mountain view here. But it's okay. But it's nice. Robe. It's much cleaner. I'm gonna put this right in here. Oh, we even have drinks. Put the soju here. folks. Good morning. Good morning here from Chungju, South Korea. Jason Two Wheels here, aka One Man is Grom, my channel name. Taking a day off today. We're gonna head out to this recreational forest just up this mountain here. This is Gyemeongsan. Sorry if I mispronounced it. Mountain.
The weather wasn't as I expected, with rain, fog, and mosquitoes dominating the day sightseeing.
Swarm mosquitoes, they're not biting me, they're just trying to get in my eyes.
Unfortunately, Mount Gyemeongsan National Forest Park was closed. But I was able to do a little hike down to the nearby river, then proceeding to ride up and around the mountain through the main city of Chungju, helping myself to some delicious Korean green apples along the bicycle path, making my way yet to another small forest mountain, Gyemeongsan Park, which I later revisited the following day.
But man, look at this, man. Look at this. Nice day, right? Today's weather should have been yesterday's weather. It would have been worth it when I was biking around that mountain over there. That huge mountain, which I was supposed to go to a forest park, but unfortunately it was closed. So I just ended up just cycling and doing a little hike down to the river as far as I can go. And being eaten alive by mosquitoes. Today the mosquitoes are not really bothering me, so I guess that's a good thing. I booked an extra day today just to kind of enjoy the weather because yesterday's weather was, you know, wasn't so good. Yeah, I'm gonna head on and enjoy this piece of quiet. So I'll see you later, friends. So if you're riding the Four River Trail, Four River Path, you see that symbol, it's marked. Either going northbound or southbound, to Incheon or to Busan. You see that symbol right there? And there's a bike path and the arrow that tells you. So it tells you which path is going to the Four River Path. Otherwise you can go to another bike path and divert to like another city, town, or maybe a place. So, but usually it does connect. All bike path usually connects back to the trail, the path. So it's quite difficult to get lost, to tell you the truth. But navigation is still useful just in case you want to know where you're at. Make sure you took the right trail. You didn't divert to another bike path. So yeah. Anyway, so off to our hotel and get ready. It's a big day tomorrow. So this is the Raemian Hotel. Well, it's a motel, but I call it hotel. Right there. Hey Brian. Hi. Oh, you're painting. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, looks nice. This is a sad place to be in the landslide. Ooh, the ground collapse. Motel down that side. And you're probably thinking, it's Friday morning, I think? Yeah, Friday the 13th. Oh gosh. My day today. Friday the 13th, Jason. Okay guys, Houston, we have a big problem here.